let's stir up Tinday Gosht in the Instant Pot today. This dish is so delicious and easy to make. You can essentially add any vegetable to the meat once you get that down pat. So here's what you'll need. 2 chopped onions, 2 diced tomatoes, 2 pounds of beef, 4 to 16 day, which is apple gourd peeled and diced, 1 teaspoon each of salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of sabut garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger garlic paste. 6 to 7 green chilies and optional mint leaves for garnish, or you could also use coriander for garnish as well. So let's get started. First, put your Instant Pot on saute mode and add about a 1/4 cup of oil. And then you're gonna add your sabut garam masala, which is cinnamon sticks, coriander seeds, black peppercorn, cardamom, cloves, cumin seeds, and black cardamom, and fry it for a minute or 2. Then you're gonna add your onions in there and just mix it really well. So all the aroma of the dry spices combined with the onions really well, and make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. Now you're going to be adding your meat after about 5 minutes or so, and then you're going to fry your meat with the onion and the dry spices for about 5 minutes to make sure it's no longer pink. Now I like to do this step to ensure that there's no smell in my meat and it's cooked thoroughly. So just some habit I've had from my mom, but a lot of people don't. They just like to add everything in together, but this is how I like to do it step by step. Now we're going to be adding all our spices. Again, you can just mix it really well to make sure that each of the beef piece is coated with each of the spice. And then you're going to be adding your tomatoes in there. Now you can certainly use tomato puree. I'm just using diced tomatoes because they're going to cook really well once we apply pressure. So mix it really well for another 5 minutes or so, and then add about 1.5 cups of water to ensure that when we close our Instant Pot, it cooks thoroughly. So we're gonna be just giving it a quick stir, and then I'm going to close my Instant Pot. Make sure it's on the sealing position. Make sure, watch for the red valve, and then you're gonna put it on manual, or you press pressure depending on the Instant Pot model you have. Bring it up to 15 minutes for beef. Now if you're using lamb or goat, make it 20. Now you're going to do quick pressure release to make sure the red valve drops at the bottom after the 15, and then you open it, and oh my god, it smells so good. Here you can just make sure you test your meat. So take a piece, just take a fork, make sure it goes in, and you know that it's cooked. Now this will cook a little bit more as well with the Tinday, the apple gourd later on, so don't worry. And then we're gonna basically continue to fry this for a good 10 to 15 minutes till it looks like this. So all the water has evaporated, all the ingredients have really crushed, binded, and come together, and honestly smells amazing at this point. Now I'm gonna be adding my Tinday, which I diced and peeled earlier. So like I said before, you could certainly add potatoes, you can add zucchini, you can add any vegetable of choice really with the meat to get some vegetable in with your protein. I know my mom used to put vegetable pretty much in every meat curry so we could get some vegetable in our diet, and it was honestly amazing. I'm adding a cup of water here, just so I have some curry because I want to eat it with like rice later on, but you can keep it dry if you prefer. After I add the water, I'm gonna just give it a quick mix so it's all come together, and then I'm gonna pressure it for another 5 minutes with quick pressure release once again. After 5 minutes, red valve has dropped, and I'm gonna just open it, and voila, my dish is ready to go. Honestly, it's so easy to make, and Instant Pot just makes it so much quicker. You can garnish it with mint leaves. Like I said, I like the mint and Tinday combination better than coriander, but it's preference. And just give it a quick mix, and you're ready to serve it with rice or naan bread or roti. And here's how it looks. I really hope you try it out. Here are the ingredients for you once again to screenshot. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try out this recipe and let me know how it tastes. So definitely keep me posted, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.